Alright, we're at gotomath.com working some calculus, and we're down here in the Extrema file. Let's see, 1-1, we've already done that. Let's do 1-2. Okay, so it says find the absolute extrema on the closed interval. And the way this works is we're just simply going to plug -1 in and then plug 6 in and then compare the two y values. And of course you can kind of see it right here that this is going to be the smaller one, which would be associated with -1, and this is obviously going to be the larger y value. And of course if you plug 6 in, 1 2 3 4 5 6, right? So let's go to the whiteboard. Let's pause the video, let's write that down, and then we'll head over to the whiteboard. Okay, so let's move over, and alright, let's write down the function there. It was f of x is equal to 0.5x minus 4, and then we were on that closed interval between -1 and 6. Alright, so this is what we're going to do. We're going to check both those endpoints. So we just plug -1 in. So we have 0.5 times -1 minus 4, and then we want to get that number, and then we plug in 6. So 0.5 times 6 minus 4, and then we want to get that number there. Okay, so let's do that. Okay, so this one here is going to end up being -4.5, and we'll leave it in this decimal form and not put it in a fraction since we've got decimals as coefficients. And then we plug in 6 and we end up with -1. So as you can see, the largest y value is going to occur here, and then the smallest y value will occur here. Okay, the minimum. So we could say then that the absolute minimum, and the absolute minimum is -4.5 when x is equal to -1. And then of course we would say that the absolute max is -1 when x is equal to 6. Alright, so let's move over to the page again, and of course you can see that now just by looking at the graph. I threw those red dots on there so you can kind of see that. -4 point. Now it says round to 2 decimal places, so we want to get it to 2 decimal places, and I just throw a 0 right where this is at. Okay, absolute minimum is -4.50 when x is -1, and the absolute max is. Alright, so you want to come here to practice that, and I'll see you there. Bye.